Ciao Tesla people. I wanted to fix something. I installed the Tesla Holiday Update 2024.44.25.2. It looks like my Amazon Music that I have with Amazon Prime got reset, and basically I couldn't log in anymore. So let's check it out here, what's going on. I'm going to... okay, so let's open Amazon. You see, it got reset. Usually when I listen to music, I have, for example, on Spotify, you can select this icon on top of here, and there are all the music or radio services that you can select to. Or when you do a search of the music, you get the music from all the services that you are enabled. Okay, so yesterday I was searching for something and said, oh, let's search on Amazon for a playlist, but look, when I went to Amazon, I got the barcode. Okay, now it's thinking. Yeah, of course it's thinking because it has no information. Okay, so let's. Okay, now it's thinking too much. Let me put a mobile hotspot. Maybe it's because the internet here is not that great. Let's see if it switches to Wi-Fi. Okay, it's not collaborating. Let's go back to Spotify. Okay, Spotify works. So let's switch to... okay, let me check. Okay, switch to Wi-Fi. Okay, let's go to Amazon Music. You see, it stays in the login screen. Okay, it's like the first time I logged in the Amazon Music. I made a video about that. So let's go to this, open the link. It goes to the Amazon.com site. Okay, and it will ask you for the information. Let me get inside. Yep, it asked me to set a passkey. Complete. Continue. Tesla would like to have access to Amazon Music. It says, you see, allow, and you should allow too. Success. Your registration is now complete. Okay. Oh, okay. It did it. Finally. Okay. It took some time. I had to do a couple of times, but I guess it took a bit of time because internet. So right now, if I do, so for example, if I go to Spotify and I do, for example, a search for Christmas, okay, Christmas, whatever, Christmas songs, okay, enter, and it gives me all this. But if I go here, you see, these are from Amazon Music. Okay, before it didn't do it, this. And there should be even tune in podcast. And that's it. Finally. So I got back Amazon Music. Pretty good. It was weird, but sometimes it happens when you do something new. They refresh the cache or something on some data and it gets erased or something. I had to sign in the new Spotify free account, so maybe that too there were some issues. I don't know. Anyway, check out my Tesla referral in the description. You can get up to $2,000 discount in the US, 500 euro here in Europe. And here in in Europe, if you buy a Model Y until the end of the year, you get 1 year free supercharging. And also, I think in the US, there are a bunch of perks depending on the model. So check out, use my referral. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao, Tesla people.